On today's episode about build Thrash, we're gonna take this guy out. It's blown up and rebuild it and hopefully stick it in. Let's see if I can turn that guy. Alright, here we are just gonna disassemble the motor and pull this thing out.
Hey, bitch. Yeah, in the garage with the grinder, shavings in the air, got a crusty 760 needing some TLC and repair. Out with the stock head, tossing it aside, slapping on the blowsion dome for that high compression ride. Match the case, it's epoxy, the floor gonna open up those transfers. I need a little more.
That's no bueno. That's no good, Mr. George.
Good one. Not bad one. Also, during this rebuild, I was trying to save a little bit of money, and I ended up getting a Chinese carb rebuild kit. That was not the way to go. Just spend the extra money and get the Mikuni carb rebuild kit. You're gonna see here in a second that the car was leaking actually because of one bad gasket, as you can see here. And that was because of gasket. Now this one was leaking because of the metering block. It had a slight warp to it or something. I just had to wet sand it and pretty much get it back to flat, and it was fine. Here's the quality control of that Chinese gasket. Don't get them. Get the actual Japanese Mikuni. You can see metal flex there. You can see that that one's dented. But we had to use one of the old gaskets. Should be 30. And good enough for me, you know. I got the shape, got the hole, I got everything that I need. See if I can show you. Pretty much the press fit. A little bit of JB weld and whatnot, and I think it'll be good. Now we're gonna shape it. Gonna use this bad bitch to pretty it up. Now I know they don't look exactly the same, you know, same but different. But a little bit of JB weld. Come on, there we go. It should be in there. And what you're hearing are those screws. Yeah, she in there. Here I'm just showing you where I grooved out the case to lay some JB weld. And the reason for that is when you pour the JB weld, you don't want it to fall right out or pop out during any kind of heat cycle or anything like that. But this jet ski ran out of luck. First time with a two-stroke. Then we got this bad mamma jamma. Finally got her all hopefully situated and mounted. Then we can mill it. Intake manifold is done. I got one little boo-boo right there up in that corner. And that's all machined down. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, you know the name. Live build Thrash is changing up the game. We buy, we build it, we create the new. Then we patch the project just for you. We flip it, we sell it, we do it all night. If you like what you see, hit the button right. So don't be shy. Come join the crew. They got that subscribe. See what we can do, but if you don't dig it, keep it real and true. Double check the thumbs down. Drop a comment too. Tell me what you hate. We got it all ground out from the outside, and you probably can't see from the inside. And the inside, all prepped up, ready to go. We're gonna make the crack no more. You know what I'm saying? Bye-bye crack. That shit's bad for you. Yeah, gotta spark up the TID, but you better stand back. Never stare at the arc of your vision goes black. Frying up your retinas, man, that ain't the plan. Put the shade on your face, be a smart metal man. Got the pedal on the floor and the torch in my grip. Tungsten glowing so bright, I'ma steady my tip. Aluminum's tricky, yeah, it eats up the heat. Gotta move it real slow while I stay in the seat. It takes practice and focus, a delicate touch, but it ain't an illusion, it's not
And this should be the end product. Hopefully I don't have to go back over or anything. Looks like doo-doo, but we're not going for looks, we're going for function. Just like that tape job, don't even worry about that. That's a high performance tape job right there. You don't worry about that. Yep, everything should be good. Now we just gotta let her cool down. All right, the Sharpie marks that are coming up, we are gonna be grinding all that poured out.
Grind, grind, till it's only thing do for harvest. Grind, 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 grind is the only thing to do for harvest. Grind, grind, grind.
All right, don't worry about this side. I forgot to put some epoxy. We're good now. And look at that porting job right there. Look at that. And I rounded that. So yeah, rounded that. And I had one little pinhole. And that's just good. Yeah, that's the one I haven't done yet. That's what it normally looks like. And that's what I did. That's what I did. And that. Alright, so anyways, it had to go up and then over into the intake. And now it has a straight shot into it. Boom. Right into the intake. See that?
Yeah, just to put the case. Yeah. Got the car by a bit in the dying hand, shaping up the metal like a one-man band. I'm pushing up the RPM, sparks in the light, putting in the heavy hours deep in the night. Dust in the air, man, my throat is dry, but I keep on grinding till the day I die. Sparks flying. Grind, 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 let the metal strip. Holding down the trigger with the 9 grip, crankcase screaming while I shave the wall. Gotta match the intake, man, I want it all. Grind, 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 just to port the case.
So, which dowel pin did I make? Did I make that one? Or did I make that one? Yeah, pretty honest, I made that one. But look how good that is. Press fit. Bitch ain't coming out just like that one. Made another one. That one's made out of stainless, so it don't rust. Made one out of steel, and I was like, I better make it stainless. But pretty legit. For the last few days, the paint job fucked up, so redoing it. Got these black. That thing blue, and the head's gonna stay raw. Hopefully, it'll be starting to be put together tomorrow. Whenever I see something like this, I just like to say, would you just look at that? Would you just look at that?
Grind some more just to port the case. Sparks flying wild in the working space. Yeah. One port done. Now we do the other. It's a gritty, dirty science. My engine building brother.
She's in. I do a little modifications to get the exhaust. Probably do some more trimming, probably have to cut the door some. And the exhaust side. I just have to find something, remount that. Somehow connect the exhaust from boop. I guess we're gonna delete the water box. And yeah, that's about where we're at. A little heat cycle on the new motor. Look at that thing, look how pretty. Little half throttle. And here I'm moving the carbs once again because after adjusting the high and low side so many times, they're maxed out, and now it's time to go to a bigger jet. Alright, it's starting to get a little windy outside. Let's come inside.
Oh shit, well here we start. I'm back here jetting my car apart. Back the doubt, man, let it go. Looking for the power, but it's running too slow. Did the plug chop, hit the kill switch quick. Hoping for a tan, but the plug's too slick. Porcelain white, it's a ghost town sheen. Damn it, still running.
Yeah, we're back.
Too lame. Oh, the plug
Got
the wrong jet in my shoe. Chasing that color, trying to find a line. A little bit rich and I'll be doing fine, but it's a real screen. Just a 4-stroke or 2-stroke dream. Yeah, it's a real screen. I've adjusted adjusted the clip. I swapped the main, turning the air screw. It's driving me insane. Check for air leaks, check the reeds that bend, but this lean condition is back to the workbench. Back to the workbench. Yeah. I pulled the spark plug out expecting chalky. But it was tanning kind of brown, looking almost right. No matter what I try, staring at the bottle, asking it. It doesn't make no sense. I'm trapped in this garage and the tension is immense. No matter what I do, I just have to keep going bigger. Trying to find a secret, trying to pull the trigger. Hey, is there an air leak in the boot or a gasket spitting air?
You know, this is always the scary part, but let's see if we're going anywhere, forwards or backwards. You gotta do a quick compressor check. I don't think the motor is completely sealed yet, but at least it should be 160 plus, or at least that's what it was last time. It was 160, so if we're below that, hey the fuck, boys. But if we're the same or above that, we're good. Well, that's bad, boys. That's so bad.
But until I find them, I'll keep turning this screw.
Well, unfortunately that does not look like 160. So unfortunately, I think this is what we're going to call it an episode for today, and we're going to check it back out next time. And I think maybe I'll do one more heat cycle and check the compression one more time. I didn't realize I must have the spark plugs out and the throttle wide open. So we'll do another heat cycle and see where it's from there, and if everything's good, we'll check it out for some more runs and try to break it in some more. If not, we are going to do a top end rebuild. Anyways, thank you for staying tuned and watching. If you guys stayed here this long, like and subscribe. Appreciate it. It's going to help me out. See you next time.
Power from 0 to 10, new piston, new rings, dropping right in the bore. Oh yeah, them damn cars were the op today. But in part 2, we're blowing them away. Yeah, the O-rings fried and the compression went dead, but we're wiping off the workbench and clearing our head. No more playing small, no more running too lean. We brought the biggest brass jets that you've ever seen. More fuel to the fire, more air in the mix. Watch us turn the failure into the ultimate fix. So come join us for part 2. We're building it again, bringing back the power from 0 to 10. New piston, new rings, dropping right in the bore. We're scaling up the fuel till she begs us for more. Yeah, them damn cars with a op today, but in part 2, we're blowing them away. Hit the subscribe, leave a comment below. Gather round the screen for the ultimate show. We're honing out the wall.